Good afternoon, YouTubers. Brian Peruginian, Senior Trader, Co-Founder, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing the closing commentary. We're about 5 seconds before the close, so you'll probably hear the closing bell right here. The stock market did as I thought it would, and there you go. The stock market did as I thought it would here. Pulled back a little bit here today. That's exactly what I wanted to see here, a little bit of a pullback. I talked about it last night, and I also talked about a couple of stocks that I thought looked very, very intriguing to the upside. All in the healthcare sector. United Health, WellPoint, and Humana all performed rather nicely here today. So if you took any of those ideas, you made some nice money. Also, our live webcast members got on a real nice trade in Freeport-McMoRan today. If you're not making money on a consistent basis, or you're just simply not spotting these types of setups, please go to our site, take advantage of that 1 week free trial that I continue to say here on a daily basis. Another stock I want to make mention right now, I'm going to make this as briefly as I can. First Solar, $154.84. It closes up $4.19. We got long the stock here this afternoon. We sent out email alerts to our members. So if you're a member of ours, you would know that we got long this here right when we were getting long it. Again, I think the stock here looks like it's breaking out to the upside here. I think the stock's going back to 171. We've got earnings coming out in a couple of weeks. I think the pattern is absolutely dynamic. It's above the 20, 50, and 200-day moving average. And to me, it looks like it's going back to the 171 gap that it left back. When did that leave that gap here? Back on 7/30, July 30th. So I think that's got an absolutely huge risk-reward ratio. First Solar, I think, is a stock that you need to own. Another stock I want to talk about here briefly is Human Genome Sciences. The stock closes $18.96, down 55 cents. Now, it did print a lower low from yesterday. Yesterday's low was $19.09. Today's low was $18.64 as I'm looking at the chart. I want to see tomorrow's early morning action. I want to see how it's going to set up, whether we open higher, lower on the stock, higher, lower on the market. I want to look to be a buyer of this one here because I do think the stock is going to pop to the upside and getting to go press that 22 3/4, 23 level that we saw here, several months back. We do have some news coming out on one of their drugs, or several of their drugs actually, here in the next 3 to 5 weeks. So this is a stock that I do want to look at getting long. I want to try and get my entry price to where I've got very, very low risk. I'm trying to massage it here, maybe a little too much, but we got the breakout yesterday that we talked about slightly. Now we're getting a pullback. Now I want to see tape action tomorrow morning. Then I'd like to get long it and run my stop below 1730. One other stock I want to share with you is Coinstar. Take a look at the chart here. CSTR looks pretty dynamic here on the charts. On the dailies here, looks like it's breaking out to the upside. 34.51, up $1.34. This is a stock I'd like to buy into a pullback around the 33.5 level, and then run my stop below today's lows, which represent 32.85. So they only give me around a 60 to 70 cent risk. That's what I'm hoping for. If I don't get the pullback, then guess what? I simply don't play. It's my business. I trade my way, or I don't trade at all. Remember, you treat this as a business, and you let stocks come to you. Never chase and always use stops. That stock looks very, very dynamic. It traded between a 30 and 34 range here for the most part for the last 2 months. Starting to break itself out to the upside. I think that stock looks like it's going to work a lot higher from here. High risk-reward ratio, that's what we look for here. Now, this morning we talked about getting along all the healthcare stocks. United Healthcare, WellPoint, Humana. Talked about that last night. Look what happened. They all ripped to the upside in early action. They had been great day trading opportunities. If you're missing out on opportunities, all I can say is go to our website, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Take advantage of the 1 week free trial. You're going to love what we do here. That's all I can say. Today we had a real nice day trade in Freeport-McMoRan. So if you're a day trader, our site's absolutely wonderful for you because you're going to see real-time trading through our live webcast. You'll be able to make money on our daily live webcast. And if you're a day trader and swing trader, only a swing trader, you'll get out swing trade alerts that we send when we find setups that we really like from the standpoint of a swing trade, and you'll get price objectives, stops, and all that good stuff, and have total access to our website. Again, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Take advantage of our 1 week free trial. I don't know what you're waiting for. You're missing out on a lot of opportunities. That's all I can say. I'll try and be back again tomorrow, as I promised, and give you some type of update, whether it be pre-market or aftermarket. Have yourselves a great, enjoyable evening, and thanks for watching.